Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at box model. So what is box model? Box model is related to an element. How? Here we have defined the width and height of an element to be 200 pixel all. So the content of each div will be 200 pixel width and 200 pixel height. Now we have added a padding of 20 pixel. So first the content itself. Then we have the padding. Let's take the width of an element first. So first we are providing the width of an element to be 200 pixel. Then we are providing a padding of 20 pixel. So padding 20 pixel means it is applying space inside the element on all the sides. So it is having padding left 20 pixel and padding right 20 pixel. So now the width has become 240 pixel. Now we are providing border 5 pixel. Again this border has border right, border left. So again a width of 10 pixel has been added. So currently the width of this element is 250 pixel. Yes friend, element 200 pixel, I mean the width of the element is 200 pixel, padding 20 20 40 pixel, then the border which is 5 5 10, I mean 5 plus 5 10. Now comes the margin. So the margin is applied just after the border. Now the margin, it is mentioned only the bottom, that is 40 pixel. So when you are providing margin only bottom, it is not affecting at width, but it is affecting on height. So for this div, I mean for these two divs, the width of the div will be 250 pixel, but the height will be 250 plus 40 because of this margin bottom. So this is how you can calculate the width and height of an element. Again I am repeating. So first we are declaring the content, the width and the height of content. Then padding is applied just after the content. Now border is applying just after the padding and margin is applying just after the border. So this is how box model works. So first content, around content padding, around padding border, around border we have margin outside. I think that it helped you to make the concept of box model clear. If not, feel free to ask. So now I think you can calculate the width and height of an element. So if anybody asks you that if there is a content, I mean there is a div of width and height all 200 pixel and we are providing a margin of 20 pixel, a padding of 20 pixel, a border of 20 pixel, can you say what will be the width and height of that div? Yes, it's 200 pixel plus 20 into 3 into 2. Why? Because 20 pixel is adding at right and left both. Hence the width will be increasing multiplied by 2. I mean the margin will be applied 40 pixel because 20 pixel for the right and 20 pixel for the left. So 40 pixel has increased for margin. Now padding also 40 pixel, border also 40 pixel, and the same applies for the height also. I mean border top, margin top, padding top, again margin bottom, padding bottom, and also the border bottom. So this is how it works. So we have seen the concept of box model. If you have any problem understanding the concept, feel free to convey. That's it, friends. Here I conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.